Okay, now we're ready to install the low primer warning. Very easy, just slips right down over the top of your primer tube. And you have a cable. Let's see. I believe this is the correct cable. There we go, plugs in right there in the front of it. You have multiple ports in the top of this tool head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. You can plug it into any one of them. I plug it into the closest one. I'm going to wrap it around a few times. You do want to leave enough slack that it will reach the bottom of the stroke and not pull the cord. This is what sets it off, and also holds your primers down in the tube where they drop easy. When it gets low enough, which you'll see here in a few minutes, sets the alarm off. So we're going to leave it out temporarily, or it'll do it as soon as I plug it in and turn it on. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and plug in the cable for the tool head. Small end. Plugs in right there, it clears that rod. Little rubber retainer. What I do is I screw it in with my fingers. I don't go ahead and tighten it. It will not come out. The reason I do this is because when you go to change out your tool head, change calibers, whatever you're going to do, it's just easier to get it in and out. You don't have to use a wrench every time. So the other end, USB. Does come with a block to power it. I don't need the block. I have built-in power right here. So my light is on. Press the button. Look at there. We have some nice LED lights to light up everything. So now let's show you how the low primer alarm works. It's magnetic, so it likes to grab your tools. Once your primers get low, it beeps and flashes your tool head light. Raise it up, back down. Works very well. Now we want to plug in the power for case collator. Got two plugs. One says 12 volt in on your left, 12 volt out on your right. You want 12 volt in on your left. And we will route this later out of the way of everything. Plug it in. Flip the switch. And guess what? I hear it running. We will show how to set the collator up and get it working later. For now, that is your initial setup. The rest of it will be showing you how to set up your dies, adjust everything in properly, but your press is set up and ready to get to that point. Right, everybody, your initial setup is complete. It's a little long, but I guarantee you that if you set your press up by following everything that I have showed you, it's going to run properly. If you have issues and you're breaking parts, probably a 95% chance you didn't watch the entire video series. So, again, we appreciate it. Hope this helps everybody. And the next series will be on setting up your dies, trying to make sure that everything is set up to where your shell plate, the dies hit the shell plate correctly, keep it level, a few other setup tricks, and everything you need to know right to loading your first bullet. So until then, have a blessed evening, day, whichever time you're watching this. Thank you again.